How to deal with emotional blackmailing. Few strategies to avoid emotional blackmailing. Broken record. It is just remaining stuck on to your point of view and stand like a man for your point of view. Constantly repeat what you want, either the person listens or not. Example: if you don't want to go and someone is forcing you to go, then I don't want to go, but I really don't want to go. What can I do when I don't want to go? I am afraid of it. I don't want to go. Please accept my request. I don't want to go. Assertive delay. This refers to how to respond to a person who is very emotional right now, and when there is high probability that if both of you talk right now, you would either give up or end up in a quarrel. Now respond. Right now, I don't want to discuss this issue. We will discuss this in detail after some time, when both of us are calmed down. If the other person insists, say him that I am not refusing to talk about it. I am just delaying it. I have already taken the matter in consideration. How to respond if you have actually made a mistake. First, accept that you have made a mistake and say sorry. But that doesn't mean that you take a whole blame, rendering other person completely free. For example, if you got late and your friend was waiting for you, then respond that I am sorry for the delay. I would be cautious next time. Usually I am punctual. What to do when someone blames you and criticize you? You can say, can you explain how I misbehaved with you, or can you explain what I have done wrong? Go for concrete answers rather than just saying that you have hurt me a lot. If you think that you were right in you haven't violated someone else right, then you may say that everyone is responsible for their own feelings, actions and thoughts. If you want to buy a red dress and your friend is insisting you to buy a blue one, so what to do next? Fully accept it and acknowledge her idea. Then give a lead of reason. Example: yes, I acknowledge you are right, but I have a lot of blue dresses. Don't you think I should try some red ones now? In this way, you can put forward your wish without hurting the other person. How to reply if person make fun of you. The key step is not to get anxious and calmly respond. If the person says that you don't know how to use it, calmly say, yeah, I didn't know before, but now I have come to know. Your attitude is the one which will make other person either anxious or enjoyable. How to respond in a fight when someone brings in the past events rather than current fight. Most of the time, it happens that when we fight, we, instead of considering the right incident, we remember the previous 10 incidents and fight over them. It just increases the fight. More time and more energy is wasted. So you need to take the person to the moment. Ask him to just talk about the recent event, not the previous ones.